How to find IMEI number of lost iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to account.apple.com. On this page, scroll down and tap on Sign In. Tap on Sign In again to sign into your Apple account. Here, tap on the downwards arrow and go to Devices. Over here, you can view details for the devices associated with your account. Tap on your device. Scroll down to the About section. You can now view the IMEI number of your phone. Make sure to check this as soon as possible and report the issue to relevant authorities if you lost your iPhone in an unfamiliar place. Following these steps, you can easily find IMEI number of lost iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.